The rock that you see here is not an ordinary one. It can produce oxygen in the depths of the sea where no sunlight reaches. They are calling it dark oxygen. Now, we all learned about photosynthesis in biology. We learned that sunlight is needed for plants to produce oxygen. But this new discovery has left scientists baffled. So how can these rocks produce oxygen 4,000 meters deep inside the ocean? These rocks we see here are called polymetallic nodules. These potato-sized rocks are made of metals like cobalt, nickel, copper, lithium and manganese. They take millions of years to form. These nodules are formed through chemical processes where metals precipitate out of the water and forms these rocks. Metals deposit around shell fragments and shark teeth, forming rocks covering the ocean floor. Upon observing them first, scientists thought that the manganese oxide present in them is causing release of oxygen. But this was later debunked. It was discovered through experiments that these rocks act as tiny batteries emitting current deep inside the ocean. The electric current splits water into oxygen and hydrogen molecules. The process is known as electrolysis. This discovery completely changes the way humans see the origin of life. Oxygen production without sunlight was considered to be impossible, which is what makes it so fascinating. Another source of oxygen exists on Earth, and it is a key discovery here. This could help humans understand better as to how life began on Earth. Moreover, it could also benefit humanity if we choose to explore the deep sea ahead in the future. These nodules are found deep inside the ocean on its surface, where they deposit in large quantities. A lot of aquatic life also lives on the same surface. Now, these nodules contain metals that are in high demand on land. They are harvested through deep sea mining, where an underwater vehicle resembling a potato harvester is sent to the sea surface, which collects the nodules. The most number of nodules are found in the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, located in the Pacific Ocean. The US Geological Survey estimates that this area contains more critical metals than the world's land reserves combined. The International Seabed Authority regulates deep-sea mining in this region. There are concerns that this practice could change the way carbon is stored inside the oceans, which can create an imbalance on Earth ahead in the future. Also, a large amount of aquatic life could also get harmed in the process. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.